Okay, so you're looking to make a coming soon page for your WordPress website. So basically, I'll show you a real quick and easy way to do that. It allows you to have a little bit more control. Now, at the moment, this is actually part two of a series I've created just about building a website and HostGator. If you actually have a look, it says here it has a coming soon page already up. But the problem with this is what we get. We get this website coming soon, Mojo Marketplace. People can access the login, which is not a very secure thing. It's not really secure. It means that people can go there and try and log into your website, which you don't want. You want things to be pretty much shut off, and you want people to be able to see what you want them to see and not what they want to see. So what we're going to do, first of all, I'm going to go back into WordPress under plugins here, down the left. There's a section here called plugins. I'm going to click on add new on the little flyout menu. I'm going to search for a plugin. Like I said, we've got a few bits and pieces here at the moment. I'm just going to search for JF Simple Coming Soon. There's letters of JF, so you get the JF Simple Coming Soon plugin here. You'll install that, and then we're going to activate it. Now, this actually activates the plugin. Doesn't actually activate the Coming Soon page that this plugin has. So the first thing I'm going to do, because I've already got a coming soon page going at the moment, I'm going to go into my plugins here. I've got the Mojo Marketplace. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to deactivate that Mojo Marketplace because I'm pretty sure that's what's giving me my coming soon page. All right, so now we want to switch over to JF Simple Coming Soon. So we're going to go down to settings. Once again, down the left here to settings, there's an option here called Simple Coming Soon. We're going to click on that. First of all, we're going to enable the plugin. This won't actually enable it until we save. And at the moment we have this website is coming soon. So you can type something a bit more personalized. We can have something else there like, find us on Facebook for more information if you have a Facebook page. So maybe from there, what you want to do is create a link, copy your Facebook address in there. I'm just going to put facebook.com in there for now. Maybe if you're a local business, it could be a good idea to type up your phone number, street address, that sort of thing, put that in there, just because that way if someone does end up going to your website for whatever reason, at least there's some information there. Another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my logo up here that we've already created. So I'm going to go to add media at the top left. I'm going to upload some files. And I'm going to choose this logo just here. Open. I've now uploaded a logo. I'm going to go over to here and click Insert into Post. You see now the logo is actually on the post. So what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to scroll down now and I'm going to save those changes. All good to go. Now I can still use this website because I'm logged in. I can still use this website as if there's nothing really going on. I could do anything I need to do and make any updates I need to. But if I head to the website, if I open this up in another browser, you can see at the moment I've actually made a bit of a mistake here. The background is black, and it actually doesn't look very professional. I'm going to minimize that for the moment. And you see there's actually some options here I've skimmed over. If I make that background white and the text black, I can now save that. You can make that any color you want to. It doesn't have to be black or white. Now if I refresh, you see we now have a much better coming soon page. Flayed Industries website coming soon. Any information you want to type on there, basically we're good to go. So now we've got our professional coming soon page up and we're ready to start doing a bit more with our website, because when people land, at least they're going to be met with something a bit more appealing. Now if I head back over to the plugin here, when I'm ready to actually make the website live and I've finished doing my work, all I have to do is come in here and untick this little tick box here and scroll down and save those changes, and then the website will be live. So that's pretty much it. We're not going to worry about that now because the website is not where we want it to be, so I'll leave that ticked. But that's pretty much it. So we're ready to go. We're ready to start working on our website, doing any changes or updates we need to do. If you want to continue this series, please feel free to follow me on YouTube by subscribing below. Also, there's we got a course, free course it shows you how to get started online, get everything up and running. That's going to be linked to below this video as well if you're not already a part of that. Otherwise, thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you again next time.